Okay, so saan ba talaga nag-originate ang word na mulligan sa golf? No, so according sa mga nabasa ko, nag-originate pala yung word na mulligan from the term batoktokacious paulitacoacious. No, sa kaya pala kaya pala nagkaroon ng term na mulligan. Hindi. But seriously, the origin talaga pala of the term mulligan came from the 1900s from a guy working in a hotel named David Mulligan. So what happened was, he was playing with friends, tapos he hit a bad shot, tas automatically he just re-teed and tumira ulit. So his friends started calling yung tira niya na ganun, the mulligan. And thus the word or the term mulligan, that's how it started. Yeah.